Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. And I didn't get the antenna put up. Would you believe it? It rained today. We haven't had rain for a couple of weeks, and all of a sudden today it decides to rain, and it poured. I think it has finally stopped, but everything's sopping wet now. So we're not going to do any antenna installations today. I think I can still get my neighbor to come help me and get on the roof. And what I plan on doing is I've done one already, and he helped me put it up. Is I put up like a 20-foot mast, and then I put a pulley at the top of the mast and then some ropes, and then what I can do is I can attach the antenna to those ropes and pull it up to the top of the mast, and I don't have to get on the roof. Now, I can't do this with ground plane antennas or disc cone antennas because they need to be attached to the mast so they can be grounded. So I won't be doing those. Although I do have a disc cone antenna that I got from China that looks pretty promising. I probably will put that up using maybe a 15-foot pole or something like that, just to get it up in the air and to be able to test it. It's going to be interesting. I showed you, I think the last video, before last, that antenna shortwave that I found from Radio Shack. It's going to be interesting to see how well it does using my antenna analyzer. But I'm going to try some few different things, and hopefully, you know, it'll be interesting things. You never know. If you have any ideas about things I can try, I do have a new radio coming. It's not a shortwave radio, but it's another radio from the company that owns oh gosh, I can't remember the name of the company. Anyway, it's coming. It'll probably be here tomorrow or the next day, and I'll show you that radio. And have a great day. Bye-bye.